I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. So let's start right away, Oliver, and roll it with it. Number one, value your audience's time. People have about a 15-minute attention span. That's why if you go watch a TED Talk, TED Talks are limited to 18 minutes because they did all these scientific studies and they said, hey, that's the amount of time people will give you. So make your time count. And then one of the things I want to stress as a don't is, I love that. I hope we don't get in trouble for it. So don't leave it on too long, Oliver. Talk about yourself. Don't talk about yourself for the first 15 minutes. There's something that people have to understand. If someone's tuning in live to you, and it's a virtual trade show, or you're doing a product launch or whatever, these are a captive audience. They know who you are or they've searched out the product. For you to start the first 10 or 15 minutes talking about your company, the year you had, the stuff you did, your corporate retreat, you're going to lose your audience.